Then, secondly, we talk about the types of the cursors that we have in Excel. Then, thirdly, we'll talk about the table customization in Excel, how we can customize our table in Excel. Then, serial number, how we can insert the serial number in Microsoft Excel. Then Q&A, then we call it a day. Recap on the 20, recap on the 23. Yesterday, we see what is grid lines. Grid line is the line that can we can see inside our cells. Grid line is the vertical and horizontal lines that can show your cells. Then we see what is cell in Microsoft Word, what cells stand for, and how you can cell is the combination between rows and columns. That is the cell. Then rows and columns is the combination between numbers and the alphabetic. That is the column and rows. Then today we'll talk about the cursors in Excel. We'll see how many cursors that we have in Excel and how we can customize our table in Excel and how we can insert a serial number. Let me open my Microsoft Excel to you to see how we can do this thing that I have mentioned. So here is our Microsoft Word. Firstly, we start talking about the cursors that we have in Excel. Firstly, we have the highlighting cursor. If you see, if you can see our cursor, this is for highlighting. When you want to highlight the specific range of data or specific cell, you can use this to highlight your. Let me increase it. Let me increase this. You see, this is for highlighting when you want to highlight specific place like this. This is for highlighting. This also is for highlight when you want to highlight some place. Then we have moving. When you want to move like data, you want to move the data from one place to another, like this. We have this inside our cell. We want to move it from one place to another like this. We can move it any cells that we want, like this. Then we have dragging cursor. Like we want to drag this alphabet. We want we come here in the down of our cell. You see our cursor change like this. Then we hold. Then we drag like this. This is for dragging. Then we have when we want to highlight this row. You want to highlight this row all. You see our cell, our our cursor change like this. Then if I click, if I click, it will highlight all the rows for us like this. From row one to the end, it highlights it all. This is for highlighting the rows. Then we have, if we want to highlight our columns like this, we want to highlight our columns like this from the first column to the last column. This is for the highlighting column. Then, if we want to increase our column, like we want to increase this column, we'll you see our cursor change like this. Then you hold, then you move it like this. We want to increase it, like you want to increase the width, width of the column, like this. You want to increase the width. See, if you want to increase the width. Then we have this. If you want to, if you want to increase the height of your rows like this, want to you see our our rows, or if you want to decrease it to be normal like this, or if you want to increase it like this. Then our our scan topic for the day is to inserting serial number. We have two ways that we can insert our serial number. The first way, let us write serial number like this. Okay, insert. We can first we will start for the pairs that we can insert our serial number. We can insert one, then we drag it like this. We drag the one like this. Then we come here, we click on this autofill options. Then we select this fill series. Automatically, our serial number will show when we select on this fill series. You see, they have 10 serial numbers in here. Then secondly, let us decrease this. Secondly, we can we can write one, two, then we highlight one, two, then we drag them like this. This is the second way that we can insert our serial number automatically without any. Then we will start the tags for today, which is table customization, how we can customize our table. Let us, like we have this serial number, then we have full name like this, then we have sector, sectors, then we have gender, then we have like state. Then the main function of the table is when you are going to print something, this green line will not show in the print clip. Like this, let me use let me let me print this paper. You will see it blank. You will not see anything. You will just see the writing that you write here. You'll never see any table. You will see the paper blank, empty, without anything. Let us you see our paper is blank. These grid lines is just divide the cell for us to see which cell are you working in. Then let us start the customization, table customization. Firstly, when you have this we call header, we have to bold it like this using then we have to centralize it like this. Then this any number or currency or phone number or BBM number, we have to it have to be in center. Let us add here like celeb here in here. Then let us start entering the data here. Also, then we can increase our data like this. Then our names will be in the right hand side like this. Then we'll start writing the sectors. Let us say others, then health, then education, education. Then we have adding this plants. Then we can highlight them like this. Then we can drag them like this. See? Then gender, men. We can drag the gender like this till the end. Then female, with income, then male, universe, then female, then state. Necessarily, let us don't believe that. most random. Then for the salary, we have to centralize our values like this to be in center. We starting make our text to be times New Roman or any font style that we want our text to be. Normally we use times New Roman. I will check search it here times New Roman, this. Then I will come here. Here is where is our border X? Come here. Then we select all border and this. See, this is how we can customize our table in Microsoft Excel. Or let us preview it in print to see how it, you see, only the specific place that we insert our table is not empty, but the whole place is empty. Let us increase the, you see, the whole place is empty, but the place that we insert our tables is not empty. This is for the table and text and table customization on Microsoft Excel. I think this is where we stop for today. I will share my slide for you to ask your question. I'll stop sharing my I'll stop sharing my screen to share my Microsoft. Okay, I shall use Zoom. Sir, you said anything number, it has to be centralized. Yes, it has to be centralized. We have to centralize it to be in center. We can't make it to be in left or right, but it has to be in center. Center. But the issue of the text, like name, it have to be in the left alignment. That is it. Any question from you? Any question from you? We have only 8 minutes remain to exceed our time. Aisha used to do, have you understand? Okay, I can, I think we can call it a day because we don't have any question for today. Thank you, everyone.